So let's say in the form you want to go ahead and attach out a YouTube video. So you can easily do that by utilizing the YouTube widget. So to do that, over here in Jotform, you can go ahead and click on Add Element. Then you can click on Widget right here. Then you can see YouTube as an option. So you can go ahead and click right here. And then you can simply go ahead and add in a YouTube video as you want. So by default, you can see a Jotform YouTube video. Then let me just go around over here and say something like YouTube. And then I simply need to go ahead and paste out the URL. So in my case, I've already copied it. So if I were to paste it, you can see that I have a video right here from the Adobe Media Encoder tutorial series. So I can simply go ahead and click on update, and this is what you have. So under the widget setting, you don't really have other settings apart from it, so you just need to add in your YouTube video URL. So apart from that, if I were to go to properties right here, you can enable or disable out the label that you have, or for the label you can go ahead and right align it, left align it, or top align it as you want. You can change around the within height of the video as well. So I can say something like 300, so it only takes up that space. Or go ahead and type in 600 right here, and you can even go ahead and change out the height right here as you want, and the place will be changed accordingly. So if I were to go to advanced right here, you don't really have much. You see the widget name right here. You can go ahead and change out the name of the widget if you want to. You can shrink out the widget, so if you were to duplicate, you can keep two of these in the same row as well, or keep it in the new line right here, or hide the video temporarily if you don't want to delete it, but you don't want the video to be visible for a while. And then if you were to go to the field, you can see the unique name for that particular field right here, just like this, that you can go ahead and change as well. Well, let me just go ahead and remove this, and then I'm going to go around over here onto properties, go to advanced, disable the shrink, and I'm going to go to preview form right here, just like this. And as you go ahead and do that, what happens is that I get this YouTube video right here, just like this, enabled from the YouTube widget. It is interactive right here. So if I were to actually go ahead and play it, it will play it in the form itself, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize a YouTube widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.